So this is the end of our story. And everyone is dead from AIDS. It took from me my best friend, my only true pal, my only bright star. Well, I'm gonna march on Washington, lead the fight and charge the brigades. There's a hero inside of all of us. I'll make them see everyone has AIDS. My father, AIDS. My sister, AIDS. My uncle and my cousin and her best friend. The gays and the straights and the whites and the spades. Everyone has AIDS. My grandma and my dog go blue. The Pope has got it and so do you. Come on everybody, we got quilting to do. We're gonna break down these barricades. Everyone has AIDS, 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 AIDS.
Countdown.
Shard 3.
Way up front.
Decimation. Going to bows.
Taunting.
He is on bows. Taunting back in 3, 2, 1.
Shard 1's coming.
Melly, go back to his right foot. Don't come to his left, go to his right foot. Right foot. Oh yeah,
Decimation. Going to bows. He is on bows.
Good start.
Star's dead.
I can't reach her. I'll get her, I'll get her.
Move, Shade.
Oh shit, that's too far.
Shard 2's coming.
Taunting back. Shard 2.
I'm raising star.
Up front near Ron.
Take it.
Innovating you 2 star.
I got torment. Someone's gonna take my shard.
Call out who's gonna get it.
Decimation. Going to bows.
Taunting.
Ronan's gonna need help. I had to touch Eddie.
Shard 3's coming.
Who's running out?
Behind blue.
Someone needs help Ronan out.
Taunting back.
Baleroc, are you helping Ronan?
I'll get you, Aylis.
I will. Jonas, deal will pick up yours. Just tell me when.
Sink, can you get the first half of 1?
Oh, you're good. I got it.
1 is coming.
Shard.
Pick up Torment at some point.
Inferno.
I'll take the first half of this one.
I'll back you up, Shade, just in case.
Star, are you gonna have it off?
Yeah, I will.
Alright, moving out.
Gil will not be able to go with you. I'm on reset with countdown.
Alright, I'll get it first. Ronan will have, Chig, are you clear?
Nope.
I'm clear.
2 is coming.
Shard 2.
It's in the group. Move.
Gil, do you need help with this?
I need help with this.
I got you after this. Right next to you.
Alright.
Misclick, Click.
Decimation. Going to bows.
Taunting.
I died.
On bows.
Again, whoever's helping out Ronan, stick with them.
That was Elmer.
Chili needs heals.
Shard 3's
Alright,
coming.
Aylis, I got it.
What shard are you on? Taunting back. Shard 3's up.
It's in the back.
Shard's also
Behind
left.
red.
Far left, Millie.
Hess is going. Take it after Ronan. Okay.
If you don't have torment, get back in group, please.
Let's get
Come
Gil
to
up
me.
if we can find him.
Torment, get close.
Chili, you and I are gonna swap places. Come to the right.
I got you, Gil.
Shard 1 is coming.
You're good, Gil. Get up.
It's in yellow.
I'll take the first one. Go ahead, take that one. I'll be right behind.
And I just ran right through. It looks like Chili.
I got 6 seconds on mine. I can help.
Find a spot and just DPS them.
Just burn it. Just burn it.
Burn it, Gil. Just burn it.
Whenever, Star.
All out,
Okay,
everybody
coming
on
on
the
you, Sick.
Dead.
Two stone.
Done.
Walls up.
Nice
Good
job,
job.
guys.
You're the best around.
Everyone has AIDS. AIDS, AIDS, AIDS. AIDS, 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 AIDS. Everyone has AIDS. And so this is the end of our story.
Keep AIDS on you for as long
And
as
everyone
you
is
can.
dead from
Shadow.
AIDS.
Shadow smash.